Hi Grade 8s, welcome to the Evidence of Learning Solutions for Week 1, Lesson 1, Conversions of Time. Now looking at question 1 here, we need to convert 10:30 a.m. to 24-hour time. Now whenever we convert times to 24 hours, if it is before 12 p.m., so an a.m. time, all we do is we get rid of our dots. So if it's 10:30 a.m. in 24-hour time, it's just 10:30. With our second example, however, 7:25 p.m., that is after 12 p.m. So what we need to do is we need to add 12 hours to our 7. So instead of 7:25 p.m., our answer is going to be 7 plus 12, which is 19:25. For question 2, 2:30 a.m. in 24 hours. Now once again, that is before 12 p.m., so we need to remove the dots, but because 2 is only a single digit number, we need to add a 0 to the beginning. So 2:30 a.m. becomes 02:30. So any time less than 10 needs to have a 0 at the front. Then we have 2:30 p.m. Now that's after 12, so once again we need to add 12 hours to 2, and 2 plus 12 will be 14:30. Now for our second lot, we have 6:15 a.m. Once again, that is before 12 p.m. So we get rid of the dots and we add a 0 at the beginning and we end up with 06:15. And finally, 6:15 p.m. once again is after 12. So we add 12 hours to the 6 and we end up with 18:15. So those were the solutions for the evidence of learning for week 1, lesson 1, conversions of time. Here are 2 more example questions for converting in 12-hour time. Now these aren't part of the evidence of learning, but they were previous questions in week 1, lesson 1. So it is really important that we all know how to convert in both 24-hour and 12-hour time. So looking at this first question here, we have 20:30. Now the key part to this is if the first 2 digits are greater than 12, the time is going to be in PM. And for this example here, we have 20:30. And because that's greater than 12, our first step is to subtract 12. And 20 take away 12 is going to be 8, and it will be 8:30 p.m. With our second example, we have 0728 in 12 hours. If we look at our first 2 digits, 07, that's less than 12. So our time is going to be AM. So we don't need to subtract anything. It's already less than 12. So all we do is we write our answer in AM time, 7:28 a.m. So pretty straightforward, but we need to make sure we can do both of those examples as well as the 24-hour time.